Did I just get scammed? It is time to start getting this bike together, guys, and I enjoy you on the journey with me as always. Real quick, I got a story for you, and it goes like this. I joined a Facebook club for bike parts, and long story short is I got scammed, guys. Now I was able to get my money back through the bank. All right, man, I got a quick question for each and every one of you out there. Is the biker code dead? Like I said before, guys, I went on a all biker site and it was full of just real people who were bikers, yet I was able to get scammed on this site. So my question to you guys is, I did a video a while back of how bikers have a code of ethics that we live by. Guys, go back, check that out. Let me know your personal opinion. Is biker code dead? All right, man, it is time to get out on the bike, man. I'm gonna do a first ride, and you guys can see it's a beautiful day out here. We are gonna take the bike to JLH Choppers. We got some modifications to do. You see Ghost right there. I got my boy Trev about to follow me out, so you guys are gonna come with me. Man, it is time to get it on. You see her looking crazy. Look at the sun, how the sun hits off that. We're about to jump on real quick. We got to head over to JLH Choppers, so I thought it would be a good idea to get a first ride on this one. So we're gonna jump on, man. I'm gonna jump and throw on the Hold Fast gloves. We gotta jump on the expressway. It's a nice day, but it is kind of cool, so we're gonna try to take it cool and rock and roll. So you guys sit back, relax. Out and about on the 2018 Road Glide Special in that beautiful Bonneville Salt Pearl, and with the 107 engine. And I can notice the lady in red was the 103, and I can notice the torquiness of the 107 right off the bat. So actually I am liking it so far. Definitely an upgrade from the 103, even though I love that. You guys know I am a huge supporter of the 103, but definitely I am loving what the 107 has to offer. Got a question about the way the Road Glides ride, man. It is a different ride. All I got to tell you, if you are not a Road Glide guy, if you go into the mode and you jump on one of these with the sweet fairing up front that blocks the wind, it takes it over your head, you will be a huge fan of the Road Glide. I'm telling you, fellas, don't knock it till you try it. Of course, every time I jump on the expressway, fellas, it's always a truck in the way. But you know what? The 107 got me faded. That was easy, man. Let's get this money, man. I enjoy riding a bike on the expressway. It is cool. You have to know your surroundings, man, and you are good to go. Always keep that eye open, man. There's a lot going on that we have to see as bikers. You guys got to keep your head on the swivel, man. If you ever play football, you know what I'm talking about. Keep that head on a swivel when you are riding a bike. But so far, the 107 is looking real good. I'm in 4th gear right now, and I'm just cruising along. I'm about to go to 5th in a minute. I'm up here enjoying the bike in the fast lane. That's how we live life, in the fast lane. Loving the bike so far. It has got some good pickup to it. Loving the 107. All right. You know, we slowly moving our way up now. I can't go out like that. A little bit of heat. Yes, sir. Now how that goes. Are back as at it, and you guys see I am in one of my favorite places to be right here, JLH Choppers. It is a lot to show you guys in here today, but we really want to show you what we're working on right now. He's got a lot of projects going, but you guys see the Road Glide right here. She is looking crazy under the lights. Jerry, I always tell you, your lights make the bikes look really good. You guys can see I already threw the Clockworks windshield on there, some trim, a few things we've already done. We threw my signature bezel that I throw on the bikes. You guys can see we blacked out the lights up here with all LED. Now let's switch around. You guys know one of my staples that I put on the bikes, the luggage rack. I'm going to show you a few more things, but right now we are getting the bars together. Jerry, these are going to look awesome. We're going to throw the bars back on here, as you see right there. Hey, by the way, say what up to everybody. What's up? What up, what up? He's not a man of many words. I do get him to talk every now and then. But Jerry, definitely tell them about JLH Choppers real quick while I got you here. Tell them about the service that you provide, man.
So I do all kinds of stuff. I mostly try to do custom painting. And I do a lot of fab work. I got a milling machine.
And that's the milling machine over there. We'll show you that later, fellas. If you need any type of assistance, man, the coldest painter I know right here, Bodywork. I'm going to show you some of the project he's got going on. But Jerry, what's that site and number they can hit you at?
JLH_choppers at Instagram.
Nice.
440-212-6279. It's my cell phone.
All right, so let's check out the bars that we are about to install today right here. And you can see they are the mean hooks right there. Let me twist them around. They've already pre-wired and everything. Jerry is gonna give me a crash course in how to get these done so I can start doing them myself. But guys, definitely gonna go down, so stay tuned. All right, so in the middle of the install, he's already took off the levers on this side. He's working on that side right now. I've already got the bars off. All the wires disconnected, as you guys see right here. So it's really clean on this new Road Glide. Everything is easy to get to. Remember the last one we had to change the risers. It was crazy, but this one should be pretty easy. Like I say, he is getting the levers off and getting everything ready to go. Remember, when you take these levers off, you see he put a bag over here to protect the paint job so that when that stuff hangs down, it is in there nice and tight. Remember to do that so you keep your paint job nice and clean. This is a good crash course out there in how to do this so you guys can become self-sufficient. Pretty soon I'm going to be able to rip bars out and put them back in, so definitely stick with us, man. We're going to show you how this is done so you can start doing these type of things yourself. Now he's taking the risers loose right there. You guys see that? And all we're doing is just screwing those 4 screws right there. You see the 1, 2, 3, 4. He's taking those off. And these bars are going to loosen up in just a second. I'm holding this side to keep everything from collapsing. So definitely make sure when you loosen up those bolts right there that you have a good hold on these bars, because they will fall back. All right, fellas, so I've got the bars off, as you see, and right here, I'm gonna point to it if you guys can see it. I got the camera. Right here is the throttle by wire that we're taking off the bike, and we're gonna have to run that through the new bars. Everything else is all set. We're gonna have to run that through the new bars. You guys see these are the old bars right here. We're gonna run that through. Everything else is all set up and pre-wired, but we've got to run that throttle by wire. Make sure, as I was trying to tell you in the last segment, make sure that you're holding those bars as you take those screws loose, because they will fall back on your gas tank and mess up that gas tank. So make sure that when you are unbuttoning those risers right there, that you definitely hold on to this so these don't fall backwards and mess up that paint job. All right, we've got everything off. As you see, it's all nice and clean. It is just time to run some throttle by wire, and then we are going to be off and running. If you've been watching the channel, then you know he's got a soft tail that is crazy, award-winning, show-winning bike. He is working on another, and this is the frame right here. Jerry, what is this bike going to be for all those who don't know right now? What is this bike going to be right here with the frame? What is it?
It's going to be what's known as a big wheel bagger.
Okay.
And I'm going with a 26-inch front wheel.
Oh my God, the 26 blazing right there, guys. What you think about the big spoke?
they come with a 19.
Uh-huh.
I went to a 21.
That's the 21.
And now I'm going to a 26.
Yeah, what do you think out there, guys? Would you want to rock the 21 or go big boy style and go 26? I'm going 26, letting you know what I'm saying. And this is the rear wheel right here. That looks really good. I like the spokes on there. I'm liking the spokes, man. But this is going to be a Road King. Man, it's going to be flammed out. You guys got to stay tuned. Hey, you show them the triple tree that you made real quick. The triple tree.
I order all my air suspension from a company called Tricky Air and Billet.
Yeah, okay.
And these are the custom made triple trees that I had made for this build.
Those look good, man. I'm liking the badging right there too. Those are awesome. And you made some parts. You made the neck for this too?
Yeah, so this is the custom made neck I made.
All right.
Instead of trying to cut this one off and reuse the stock one.
Right, so I'm showing you guys he remade that right there.
So I just made my own.
All right, nicely done. If you need parts like this done or any type of custom work, this is where you get it done at, man. We're gonna show you around a little bit. Let me show them a couple other things that's going on. Check this thing out right here. This is a Honda VTX that he is working on right now. And man, look at the 34-inch wheel up front. That is crazy. Man, this bike giving you fits though, ain't it?
Yeah, this bike's a real nightmare to work on.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice, guys. What do you think out there? Would you have spent the cash to rock out a Honda VTX? Let me know what you think in the comments below. That wheel is blazing, I will say that, but it's definitely going to be a build on his hands he's working on. He's getting the front all done. As you guys see, the fender is all custom and everything. He's done all the work to this bike for the customer, so he's still got a ways to go with the tank. But how much longer you think it'll be before this one's done?
I'm hoping to have it done by summer.
But this is going to be actually a cool bike once it's done. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Honda VTX riders out there, man, do you like it? Fellas, do you love the build? Do you let me know. I need your opinion. Let me know what you think.
Yeah, no, I've gone to the gym for probably 2 months.
Well, you gotta stick with the gym.
And I
gotta stick with the gym, man.
I get so impatient and discouraged that I fucking call it quits.
We're talking about the gym right now as we're getting the bars in there. I'm trying to get him in the gym and get him on an eating plan, guys. We're gonna put him on a meal plan and get him together. You gotta stick with it though, man.
I'll try.
All right, man, I hear you, but you guys see the bars are coming together. We've got them everything all wired up. It was a little tough for a second, but got through it. So everything's now just cleaning everything up. Just put the risers back in, as you see right there. I'm trying to get close up and personal so you guys can see. He's getting everything all cleaned up now. He's already put the risers back in, but we didn't tighten the risers up because remember, we've got to adjust the bars to where they need to be. But as you can see right now, it looks pretty good. Those 12-inch bars are gonna blaze the new bike. Jerry, man, you are the dude, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching these bars. We didn't show you the wire. It was pretty easy. All we had to do was the throttle by wire through and just hook that one wire in. Everything else was pre-wired, but you see it looks crazy, man. I'm gonna unveil it to you guys in just a little while. We gotta get that front wheel together. It's on back order, but it's coming pretty soon. But man, you are the dude, man. My guy right here, Jerry, man. So until next time, guys, keep those two wheels down. Peace.